Well, tonight, local researchers rallied to defend their work at the Oregon National Primate Research Center. It's all in response to a series of ads they call misleading. It's 11 o'clock. Good evening. I'm Jeff Gianola. And for decades, the topic of primate research has been very controversial among animal rights activists and some medical experts. Ariel Yakabazi joins us live from the Portland waterfront. So this latest controversy, Ariel, how did this all start?
Well, Jeff, it started with a series of ads aimed at criticizing the Primate Research Center over in Beaverton. And those ads, we're told, are what led Oregon Governor Tina Kotek to push the center to close. It's because of those calls to close. Dozens of people, researchers, veterinarians, and others gathered along Northeast Holly and 185th in Beaverton.
This place is important because biomedical research is absolutely critical for making healthcare advances.
Jeff Staton, attending veterinarian at OHSU's West Campus, and his colleagues are here in hopes of changing people's minds when it comes to how the nearly 5,000 monkeys are treated behind closed doors at the Oregon National Primate Research Center.
There are situations in which they have some discomfort, and we get to alleviate that pain and distress. And that's important to understand because there are groups that would make you believe that we don't do that we leave animals to suffer, and that is not the case.
There are several ads floating around by the Physicians Committee for Responsible Medicine, or PCRM. You might have seen them on TV or on the massive billboard along Highway 26. OHSU officials call them false advertising and say the group's messaging prompted the governor to ask them to close the center. PCRM claims on their website the research center could easily do at least some studies on humans or through other avenues rather than using primates. OHSU veterinarian Drew Martin speaks to that.
We're always looking for how to do the best science with the least number of animals, because we're also really committed to new approach methodologies and reducing the numbers we have to use on projects. If we didn't have to use a monkey for a research project, we wouldn't.
PCRM officials say they're encouraging Oregonians to reach out to state leaders if they have any concerns about this type of research or the facility. And the ralliers today are actually encouraging folks to come to the facility and tour it. They can do that through their online platform. Now, we did reach out to Governor Tina Kotek for comment on this issue, and she has not yet responded. Reporting live on the South Waterfront tonight, Ariel Yakabazi, KOIN 6 News.
Yeah,
Jeff,
it'll be
back to you.
interesting to see if and when the governor's office does respond to all this. Ariel, thank you.